Hey guys, hope you guys are safe and sound. Today I bought some things from stationery. This is glitter foam sheet, blue one and red one. This is highlighter. And I bought some acrylic colors. Green, and this one is magenta, I think, and it's white color, and this is fabrical. What you guys bought from stationery today? Let me know in comment section below. If you like today's video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye.